Hey guys, it's Dan here, and look what I got for Christmas this year. I'm going to do a unboxing and an assembly video for you guys. Hopefully I won't bore you too much with it. I know there's a million others on YouTube doing the same thing. With a little bit of editing and stuff, hopefully I'll go through this real quick with you and won't bore you a whole heck of a lot. But this is the 28, and this is the holiday edition, which was a exclusive to Walmart, and it comes with the bonus cover for it. This isn't like the regular 28 that has the wheels or anything. This one doesn't have wheels. It doesn't have the bottom shelf, just has side shelf. But I got this at Black Friday, very, very cheap. That's why I'm adding this to my outdoor cooking collection. But let's get this thing unboxed. All right, got the top off for you. Everything looks packaged real good. Blackstone does a great job packaging everything. I have the 17-inch tabletop one that you guys seen in some of my videos. I've even assembled my dad's 36-inch, so I kind of know how to assemble these. Boy, it's cold out here today, but we're going to get this done for you. It's about 30 degrees. Right here's the cover that comes with it. I'm excited that I got the free cover, but let me get everything out of this box and we'll get going. Alright, I got everything out of the box. You can see right in front of you is the actual tabletop with the 2 H burners. Back there's the legs. Over there's where I got the shelf sitting, the grease trap and all that. Got the cover there. The griddle top's still in the box. That'll be the last thing I get out. So if you want to see a more thorough way of unboxing it, like I said, you can YouTube it and everything. It's 30 degrees out here. I'm doing this pretty quick, simple, but I'm enjoying it. That's all that counts. All right, I'll be back with you guys here in a few minutes. It's time to start assembling. Hold on one second. You gotta love the fact that they put everything in a blister pack for you. I'll see y'all here in just a few. Alright, here it is fully assembled. I've got to give it to Blackstone. Pretty amazing. It was a total of 11 screws. I looked and I was like, man, there has to be more screws or something. There wasn't. It's still put together very solid. If you can see the side shelf over there, I haven't put the propane tank on yet, but there's the legs and stuff. The only complaint I have is Blackstone, not everybody's short. I don't know if you guys can see me standing right here, but I'm a taller than average guy. I'm going to have to build a platform and put this on. I got to raise it at least 6 inches or so. I mean, and like I said, I'm taller than average. I'm 6'6". I might make something temporary because it's actually perfect height for my wife. I'd assume. I haven't got her out here yet to take a look at it. But my wife's only 4'10". So, I mean, Blackstone, I realize this was the economy model and everything. But man, if you do it again, make it taller, please. Alright, with that being said, I'm going to get to seasoning this. I'm not even going to attempt to bore you with seasoning and everything. I don't know if you guys can tell in the video, but it's starting to snow a little bit. But I'm still going to get it seasoned because I'm dying to use the thing. If you want to know how to season one of these, go check out Daddy Dutch Barbecue. His name's Kent. Awesome guy. Master at the Blackstones. If you can't find a video of him seasoning his or anything, just send him a message. He'd be more than happy to help you out. I'm sure he would. Kent's an awesome dude. Believe it or not, he's the one that told me how I'm going to be seasoning this one. Well, y'all have a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching this. Stupid little video of mine. There's not going to be a cook on it or anything. But if you like what I do and everything, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell. I'll be back cooking real soon. It's just the holidays and everything. This is New Year's Eve right now that I'm assembling this. Probably New Year's Days when I'll get this posted. It's just been crazy and everything between the weather, work, holidays and stuff. But you all have a blessed day. I hope you guys have the most wonderful 2020. Hey guys, I just wanted to come back for a second to tell you guys that I'm very impressed with the cover that came with this. I'd saw some reviews from some people that got this holiday edition last year, and they said it's a real cheap vinyl cover. This cover here is just as good as the $40 one that my dad bought for his 36-inch. I mean, this is a very high quality cover that came for free with this. I'm very happy, I'm very pleased. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get this seasoned today because it's very windy. There's a lot of snow, or not a lot of snow, a lot of wind, a little bit of snow. And I just couldn't get it hot enough. I did get it scrubbed down with the soap and water. Unfortunately, I couldn't get my first seasoning really on it. So I just put a protective coat of oil on there. So it'll be a little bit before you see me cook on this, because evidently I either have to put it in a less windy spot, or we definitely have to get better weather here in Indiana. But I just wanted to tell you guys, after complaining about the height of it, which I still think it's too short, that they did send an extremely nice cover.